How to replace the legs on your core canopies. Hardware needed. Pro tip: keep your removed screws in a singular place and remember which screw goes with which pole. Start with the canopy frame standing up, but not spread out. You will want to work from the top down. Start by removing the screws holding the top of the canopy leg to the scissor poles. Set the screws aside in a designated spot. Pro tip: it is easier to remove the screws at the base of the scissor poles if you hold your finger on the opposite side of the screw. Remove the screw holding the short awning corner poles to the canopy leg. Set the screw aside. Now, you can remove the leg and replace it with a new one. To attach the leg pole, reinsert the scissor poles into the top of the new leg. Make sure the holes in the scissor poles line up with the holes in the canopy leg. Reinsert the screws and use the Allen wrench to tighten them. Reinsert the short awning corner pole into the new canopy leg. Like before, make sure the hole in the pole lines up with the hole in the canopy leg. Reinsert the screws and use the Allen wrench to tighten them. Now enjoy your time outdoors.